Are you looking for a refreshing libation or drink? I am here with home chef Arabella, who is going to share with you her own recipe for a coconut delight.
Yes, this is a drink involving some coconut milk and coconut water.
Yes.
Okay? So I'm going to use coconut milk from Goya.
Which is the best. It's so rich and thick. I love the flavor.
Exactly. That's why I use it a lot, because it's just so rich in flavor of coconut. Now, this coconut milk, I have boiled it with sugar to make it more sweeter. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some of the coconut milk into the shaker. Yeah, and then we're gonna mix it with the coconut water.
The coconut water from Goya, and both of us are just saying how we love this water because it has the actual pulp from the coconut, which is so delicious. It adds a really tropical flavor.
And I have coconut liquor. It's like made with whiskey and coconut. I just discovered this. It's so yummy. And it also have some shredded grated coconuts in it. Just a little bit. You can go more if you want to. I also add some coconut rum
From Kauai?
Yeah, yes. Kauai coconut. Is that a lot? Is that a lot of nuts?
Yeah, we're going to take you to the tropics with this drink. That's for sure.
And we are at the shake it. So we have all the mixture in this. Just shake it really good. Now remember, I put some crushed ice on it. I think we're ready. This is for you, Cindy.
Thank you.
Love the seeing that white color. All right, let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers.